Okay guys, Jeremy and I, you know Jeremy, we are down at Car Week because we decided we might as well check it out. But yeah, right now it's pretty dead. We've been here for about 20 minutes now and we have not seen a single thing. We still have time. It's only, what is it, Wednesday, Thursday?
Thursday.
Yeah, so I mean, Friday and Saturday are the biggest days, so we'll see if things show up and go from there. This is kind of the moment of truth. We got Ocean Avenue.
Is it good or is it good?
If any of you know about Car Week, this is definitely like the busiest part of Car Week. This is where everyone goes to hang out. This is where everyone goes to see the cars and park up and flex on everyone. Here's the first spot of the day.
Woo! They found a GT3. Can we take a GT3 and turn it into La Ferrari?
So we do see lots of like cars going around.
It's really like splotchy, I feel like. It's just like you kind of have to find pockets of them. I'm just like checking.
Oh, I saw something red.
Oh, Bugatti. That's them.
Oh, that's them. Oh. Hey guys, we have found the Bugatti and the La Ferrari. Pretty quick, a lot quicker than I thought. We've got a lot of people by it, so I'm gonna put my face mask on, but they're getting them detailed right now because the owner took them out. And then tomorrow morning, we're actually getting photos of them. Look at these. So this one's obviously the blue spec with the chrome. And then we've got just a solid red La Ferrari with the famous black roof. Right now it's in a wash mode, so the wing is down and the suspension was raised up. As far as we know, these are the best cars here at Car Week. We haven't seen or heard of anything online. We actually spoke to the owners about what their opinions were on Car Week this year, and they are loving that it's all pretty much canceled. They finally get to enjoy the show themselves instead of taking their cars to the Quail and all these other shows. They're very excited to check out the town of Monterey and Carmel and go on drives. I think it's gonna be a good year as far as owner showing. I heard a lot of the reservations weren't booked out this year, so I think it's gonna be a good low-key year with lots of cars and probably lots of car spotters towards the end, but not nearly as big as last year.
I think we literally own Monterey right now. We literally haven't seen a single person with cameras.
We've also got this awesome 599. It's got the red roof with kind of that traditional heritage Ferrari stripe, gold wheels on the white paint. It honestly doesn't look bad. It flows pretty well.
The owner said he painted that.
That's paint?
That's paint. That's what he said. I'm not gonna touch it.
Okay, I didn't know if he was talking about that, but that makes sense because that's very glossy. That doesn't look like vinyl to me. We've got Old Faithful here, the new Mini Cooper S.
Dude, this thing rips. That boost hits.
I will say it is weird being in a normal car this Car Week, or even in general, just because all my other cars have stood out in one way or another. I want to say at one point this piece right here was solid chrome, but it's kind of been dinged to mat itself out.
Really?
Yeah. And then now you've got the vinyl, you've got the blue paint, and then all the chrome along the side is also vinyl wrapped. On this, I think the stripe is not painted. It's also, yeah, it's definitely vinyl. This is a sticker on top. But wow, this front end looks expensive, to say the least. Like, look at that car. How is that a street legal car? He says this one's his wife's car, and that one's his car, and then he also drives his truck. But I wouldn't mind either of them. So they've actually blocked off Ocean Avenue.
Already?
I'm gonna go right. There's cops down there.
Oh, geez.
They're patrolling.
That's our motorcycle cop.
Yeah, they're patrolling, even though I think they're just expecting the worst still. Ooh, yeah.
Woo! Hey, he's almost got your wheels. That looks like your car.
Yeah, that's what my car looked like a few years ago. Yep, they've barricaded this whole road. Yeah, they're setting up a full barricade system right here. There's the famous cop that was giving out so many tickets last year. We've got our first spotting here. See a Vorsteiner Huracan. Let's see what's behind there. We've got a good little lineup here. Ooh, check out that GT2 RS. That's the biggest group we've seen. Should we go see if they pulled over that one guy?
Oh,
we knew it.
That's our same cop.
Because he made the city so much money last year. I don't know if I want to film him.
Okay, so you need to make that adjustment a little bit further. You can't drive this car legally.
The cop is walking back. It sounds like he's giving him a warning, but if he sees his car, it's definitely getting towed. It's something to do with probably a mod, like a vehicle violation.
Something about he can't drive it anywhere in California or Arizona.
Or Arizona, or Montana where it's registered. But
Look at this light.
it's awesome light. We've got a Turbo S down there. But we've also got no other cars, so hopefully it picks up a little bit more tomorrow. But so far, for first day, it's been pretty good. Front lift is up, which is good because he would have totally nailed his front splitter on that. This is the hotel we need to get next year.
I know. How do we get that?
My Rice Style R8, just right next to all the Pagani's that are here. I assume if somebody decides they want to ram through the barriers and avoid those cones, if they hit this, I think it'll hit that plate, I don't know, lift up and lift their car up. I know that sound. Got an R8 V10, and he's the first we've seen to get rejected onto Ocean Avenue. Wow. I don't know if you guys remember or have seen this parking garage, but there's usually rows of McLarens and other valet cars for the hotel right there. It is just empty.
This is where the black F50 was.
Yeah, I've seen a black F50, a red one. I've seen the P1 was just over there.
Oh yeah, down one level, huh?
Yeah.
Like carbon red.
We found the mother load of cars for tonight. Ferrari F12 and Largo, which includes the full wide body kit, the front bumper, and check out these wheels. Got an AMG GT, some 458 with a black roof. Got this R8 in this amazing green. Got stressed wheels, Vorsteiner kit. Got a McLaren 570S, also in a very cool color. It's almost like a faded out green. Not nearly as much as that one, white Aventador. Last on the row, we've got all these. We have this wide body AMG GT on airlift performance. Look how big that wing is.
Babe, look, he did the F1 rain light. That's what you need.
I need it. That
It's
diffuser
so
is crazy.
Nate, look.
Ooh, I like that yellow. We have made it back to our new spot, our new favorite spot. Got the Bugatti and LaFerrari over there. It looks like a few cars have joined them, but it's almost 8 o'clock now where we will head out to 17 Mile.
All the turbos. Those always sound so good.
We've made our way to Laguna Seca. As you can see, there's actually quite a bit of cars going on. Most of the cars probably here at Car Week are down in the paddocks. Loads of cars out here today, so we are going to just go up to the course group. It was a lot easier to get in here than we expected, but
There's like so many cars here.
finally, my favorite car.
Ooh, it's sounding good.
Check out that wing. Looking good. We were tipped off that there's a Chiron. Oh, nice. Yeah, we were tipped off that there's a Chiron just up the street, so we're gonna go check it out.
That looks good. That's a good wing. I'm into that. Yep, it's right there.
Let's see.
Ooh,
Yo.
there it is.
So we've got a Aventador that just pulled in with a bunch of green accents. Got a Huracan Performante, C63 AMG, and a bunch of BMWs. Got a little Lotus right here. And then we've got the 720 and Huracan Spider up there. Got a nice spec Speedster. Ooh, and my favorite, an Audi R8. Hey guys, it's been a while since we saw something. We've got a 488 in a satin gray and a big wing on it. Oh, that sounds awesome. Another 720. We haven't seen too many of these.
I know, we've only seen them in what, like parking lots?
Parking lots, that's the first one I think we've seen driving. We have found my favorite group. We're starting off with all of these. Got the AMG GTR over there, a couple GTRs. We got the Alpha, the C63, the 280 SC, but my personal favorite, of course, is this Audi R8 with the prior design 850 wide body kit, HRE wheels and gold chrome. It's got a matte custom wrap. It's the V8 manual. This is the same kit I want to do on my car, but it's gonna take some time. It takes about roughly 100 hours to install it. The kit itself is upwards of 20 grand, and I also need to get the custom wheels. He's on air suspension. I would just keep my same coilovers and maybe just go a little bit lower. So I found a LaFerrari while we were on the side of 17 Mile. I am trying to go back and find it here with Jeremy. We're hoping it's with the Bugatti getting dinner at the golf course just up right here. Here we go. Any LaFerrari. There's the red one, of course. Where? Oh, 488 black. Maybe that's what we saw, and it's just my eyes were hurting from the salt water. Right there's where I curved my wheel 2 years ago. I can still see the black paint. As this is probably the craziest wrap here at Car Week 2020. It also looks like it was possibly vandalized. And you've got like a pink and blue splatter.
These almost look like eggs.
Yeah, eggs dropping.